Welcome to Surmarine UK. Today we are fitting up a Surmarine ST310 on this stunning F55 Princess. It's a brand new boat. This boat's got a passerelle on it, and she's also got the gyro stabiliser system fitted on her. So the reason the customer chose this tender over the rest of them is because she only weighs 207 kgs with the Yamaha 20 horsepower engine. If you need any more information on the Surmarine products and what we can offer you and your boating needs, please contact me on 02380 456 116 or visit surmarine.co.uk. Thank you.